looking for a ride-on mower, there's a good chance, like me, you're trying to make a decision. Do you want a traditional lawn tractor or do you want a zero turn? Now, I had the exact same question when I was buying one of these ride-on mowers, and today I'm going to cover some of the basic differences between these mowers so you can make an informed decision. So there are 3 ride-on mowers featured in today's video. They are the brand new Ego 42-inch T6 lawn tractor, the Ego 42-inch Z6 zero-turn riding mower, and the one-of-a-kind Ego 42-inch zero-turn mower with e-steer. Now, this unique ZTR replaces the typical controls of a ZTR with a standard steering wheel. Zero-turn mowers and lawn tractors provide decks and the speed needed to maintain large yards, say over about half an acre. However, they each have their pros and cons, which could make one a better choice for your yard. So today, the categories we'll be looking at are maneuverability, operator visibility, slopes, speed, learning curve, towing capability, maintenance, and of course, the cost. So the first category we're going to talk about today is maneuverability. If your yard has a lot of curves like flower beds and trees that you need to cut around, a ZTR is often a better choice. The zero-turn radius leaves fewer missed patches at the end of rows, around curves, and in corners. In comparison, a lawn tractor does great with straight lines, but will miss patches of grass at the end of every row. This can be cleaned up, though, with a second pass. So let's move on to operator visibility. Whereas the visibility on a tractor is obstructed by the motor up front, a zero-turn has unobstructed views of your lawn and any potential obstacles. This increases precision and decreases cleanup cutting afterwards. So if your property has a bunch of hills on it, you're definitely going to want to pay attention to this category, slopes. Lawn tractors are generally more capable of handling slopes than a ZTR. The weight of the motor up front actually increases the stability and decreases that wheelie effect or rollover effect that you can experience on a ZTR. Though keep in mind that slopes exceeding 15 degrees can be an issue for either type of mower. So no matter what products I'm reviewing, this category always comes up, and that is speed. We all want to do things faster. So often the ZTRs are capable of cutting at higher speeds than tractors and can mow in more difficult areas than tractors as well. But keep in mind that lower speeds can often result in those cleaner looking cuts. So we all think that driving a lawn tractor is simple, and it's not always. So we want to talk about learning curve. If you just want to jump on your mower and go, you probably will be better off with a tractor. The steering and controls more closely resemble a car than a ZTR. On the other hand, the ZTR is a learning curve to get comfortable, but with a little time and practice, you'll be zipping around your yard like a pro. You know, we've all seen those pros tearing up the neighborhood, so clearly you can get good at it. One thing worth mentioning is the Ego e-steer offers all the benefits of a ZTR with the controls of a traditional lawnmower. So I've read a lot of questions about this next category online, and that is towing. A lot of you want to tow fertilizers, dump carts, things like that. So this is a big deal. And I'm going to say it's often tractors provide the higher towing capacity than ZTRs. This is because their transmissions are less complex and can withstand higher towing forces. So in terms of maintenance, the ZTR is often more expensive and requires more service than a lawn tractor. However, Ego has just released a bunch of battery-powered mowers that have reduced the complexity of their ZTRs to match the maintenance requirements of lawn tractors. So the last category we're going to talk about today is cost, and of course, this is the big one. Now, simply because ZTRs have more complex controls and they have more parts than lawn tractors, they are generally more expensive. So all the ride-on mowers used in this video were made by Ego. These are battery-powered mowers. Battery-powered mowers are awesome. There's very little maintenance. They're easy to run, easy to operate. They're safe, and they have a ton of cool features. So if you want to learn more about those Ego mowers, make sure you hit that link down below. Oh, and they can mow up to 4 acres, so don't worry about that, guys. Now, the next thing I want you to do is leave a comment down below based on this video. Which mower did you choose? Did you choose the ZTR or the lawn tractor? Let us know how you made that decision. We all benefit from that. And when you're done, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, subscribe, like, and then let's go and check out that video right there.